Pwede ba sa may diabetes ang I Am Amazing Pure Organic Barley? The straight answer to that is yes, pwedeng-pwede po. This is super helpful po sa mga may diabetes dahil natural blood regulator po ito. Because it is rich in beta-glucan which helps control the blood sugar levels. And it also detoxifies the body. So, it removes the toxins na pwedeng maka-affect po sa insulin response. At, low glycemic index siya. Kaya, safe siya for diabetics at hindi nagkakos ng sugar spikes. At, it supports po pancreas health. Kaya, tinutulungan niya ang katawan natin sa proper insulin production. At marami na pong diabetic users ang nagtatry nito at napansin po nila yung better blood sugar control at more energy. At isa na po dyan ang mom at sister ko. Kaya this is a great natural option para po sa daily health support nyo. And if you wanna try, just comment below.